how to make images move on ClipChamp. So if you want to make images move on ClipChamp, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your ClipChamp application if you have the application, or if you don't have the application, you need to simply go for your browser and then you can search for ClipChamp and you can open or log into your account on your browser. And once you're here on the browser, go for the sign in and make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you can scroll down and then you can go for create your first video or simply tap on create a video. Now what you need to do is simply click on the import media option, which is on the upper side, and then you can choose a picture or something to import. You can simply choose an image. Once you choose the image, you need to simply drag and drop that image. So first you need to choose a video, right? Once you've chosen a video, for example, I've chosen an image, you need to simply choose a video or an image or a background. And once you've chosen your background, now you can simply again go for import media, and then you can choose an image which you would like to make as a video or which you would like to make as slideshow, or if you want to simply move the image, then what you need to do is drag and drop your image, and here you will have your image, right? So you need to simply go for the first image on the upper side of that image and click on that image and then resize your image. So for example, I have the second video here, right? So, or the image here. So what you need to do is, for example, I'll just fade the background image so that it will be easy for you to understand. So this is the video or image, and this is the other image which you would like to move, right? So this is the image that you would like to move. So what you need to do is simply click on this image, and then you can go for this part, and you can go for cut or split. Once you've split, now go and choose the second part, and then you can simply drag that downwards and again go for the split, and again choose the third part, and then again drag that and again go for split, and like that you need to simply repeat the process. So now once you've done all of that, if you play the video or if you play that, you can see the image is moving, right? So that's how you can move an image on ClipChamp, and instead of this you don't have any other options. So if you want to make a smooth transition, then you can simply enlarge this and then you can choose the small part. So you can simply make this much split. So this is an example video. So if you simply open up your video, you can see that your image is moving. So that's the only way to move your image, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.